supposed to give way, mate. No, you just give way. You just
get over it.
No, you f*** off.
Go on, you tell it, son.
What's the matter with you? What's the matter? Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
I'll tell you what, you fucking prick. Fucking give me a load of fucking shit.
I said oi!
Indicated to fucking turn left.
Yes, and you're supposed
Right.
to give way to the people turning left.
No.
When you turn right.
You give way to people coming from your left. You weren't coming from my left, you were coming from fucking straight on.
Yes, you're
Don't
supposed
tell
to
me
give
the fucking highway code because I've got a fucking advanced fucking driving licence.
Have you?
Yes, I fucking have.
Have you really?
Yes. And I'll tell you what, you fucking prick. You fucking give me a load of abuse.
I did not
you were
give
in
you
no
any. It's all on
fucking
camera.
danger.
It's all in
You were
camera.
yeah, I can see that.
Right.
And
You-
you're on
can
my
you just
fucking
take a step
camera.
back, please?
And you're on my fucking camera.
Right.
You
You
was
should
fucking
know.
turning
You
left.
should know.
I gave you
should
ample
know.
clearance, and you
know.
deliberately drove straight over to
I
the
did
middle
not.
of the road.
Yes, in the
and
middle
then
of the
give me a
lane.
load of that.
I said oi.
You're a prick.
I said oi.
You're a prick.
I said oi. And you.
You're a prick. Well,
right.
when you check your camera, you check what you said.
Yes, I did. I will.
Well, check.
Hey.
You're a prick.
It's alright. It'll be on YouTube later after I've sent it to the police. It's fine.
See it.
You'll right. Check your reg on YouTube in about 6 months.
You're an idiot.
Check your reg on YouTube in about 6 months. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.